My experience studying sports management at ETA Connect has been an exciting journey so far. When I first started, I thought that it was going to be difficult when it comes to using the different types of apps and websites that was required of me to use. But with the help of the experimental week in the academic literacies and learning technology course, I was able to learn how to use all the different types of websites and apps that I would be using during the course. My lecturer has been very kind and welcoming. He makes things easy to understand and he guides us when it comes to learning new things. As a person who came from high school last year, I would say that learning online has been easier and beneficial to me when it comes to time management. I have been enjoying this course so far and I'm excited to learn more as time passes by.